Volkswagen has always known how to tap into nostalgia, and in 2026, they've done it again with the return of a legendary name. The Karmann Ghia is back, and it's not just a redesign, it's a complete reimagining of one of VW's most iconic classics. First introduced in the 1950s, the original Karmann Ghia became famous for its elegant lines, Italian-inspired design, and relaxed driving experience. It was never about speed or power. It was about cruising in style, and in many ways, the 2026 version brings that same spirit into a modern, all-electric future. This isn't just an electric car with a familiar badge. It's an emotional statement. Built on Volkswagen's MEB platform, the new Karmann Ghia delivers around 250 horsepower with a single electric motor powering the rear wheels. It glides rather than roars, offering a smooth, almost silent ride with an estimated range close to 300 miles. While it may not be the quickest EV out there, it's one of the most charming. It's about character, not numbers. On the outside, it's a work of art. The new Ghia retains the soft, flowing curves of the original while adding a modern edge. The fastback roofline, low stance, and minimalist front fascia create a striking silhouette. The LED lighting wraps subtly around the body, giving the car a distinctive glow at night without being overly futuristic. Volkswagen has masterfully blended the past and present into something unmistakably unique. Inside, the experience continues. The cabin is sleek and minimal, yet warm and inviting. Eco-friendly materials line the doors and seats, and there's a clear emphasis on craftsmanship. The steering wheel is a modern nod to the original design, and the floating digital display provides all the information and connectivity you could want, without overwhelming the senses. Everything feels intuitive, relaxed, and designed with purpose. Driving the new Karmann Ghia is a return to simplicity. It doesn't bombard you with unnecessary driving modes or performance settings. It's about the connection between car and driver, about enjoying the road ahead without pressure. It's ideal for city cruising or a weekend trip along the coast. It's stylish, comfortable, and just quirky enough to stand out. Volkswagen has made it clear this isn't a mass-market vehicle. The new Karmann Ghia is meant to be a halo car, a special edition for those who appreciate design and nostalgia. It's expected to start around $50,000 and will be released in limited numbers. This exclusivity adds to the charm. It's not just a car, it's a collector's piece. The 2026 Karmann Ghia isn't just about reviving a name. It's about bringing back a feeling. A reminder that cars can be beautiful, emotional, and timeless. In a world dominated by high-performance EVs and aggressive design, the new Ghia is a breath of fresh air. It whispers where others shout. And sometimes, that's exactly what we need.